woman who had dreamed, waited, hoped. The woman who believed in fairy tales and in writing her own. I walked a few steps, hearing the delicate click of the heels against the floor. It was such a soft sound, but to me, it was music. A song that spoke of love, new beginnings, promises yet to be made. I turned to the mirror, my heart beating faster. There I was, standing tall in my white pumps, and for the first time, I saw myself not just as I was, but as I would be, walking slowly down an aisle, every eye on me, every step taking me closer to a new chapter of my life. The shoes completed the picture. They didn't scream for attention. They whispered elegance, grace, and quiet strength. The slender heels made my legs look longer, my posture straighter, my whole presence more radiant. With every small adjustment of my stance, the pumps held me firmly, lovingly. I could already imagine how they would carry me through that once-in-a-lifetime day,